Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to get these right here. The orange mixed oil and orange peel cleaner, free. Whenever you eat oranges, don't throw it away, okay? Peel it and place them in your fridge. Just to peel, okay? Just like that, and just place it in your fridge so they don't dry out. Then you get a jar and you stuff them all in here just like that. Fill the jar with cleaning vinegar, okay? Any cleaning vinegar, all-purpose cleaner will do. Just cleaning vinegar, okay? Don't use regular vinegar because it's just one, it's expensive. Two, I believe there's more acidic in there, so cheaper. Get the all-purpose cleaning vinegar and fill it up. Wait for 2 weeks or so. I waited 3 weeks for this one, and look, that's what I got. Now what do you do with those? Put that in a bottle and put 50% of water in there, and then put a little Dawn in there. I would say 2 cups. For every cup, put about 1 teaspoon of Dawn in there. Don't put too much, okay, because then you would have to rinse it out and stuff, and use that as a cleaner. You can clean glass, you can clean stovetop, you can clean all that, and then best of all, they smell like orange afterward. And that's how you do it. You put them in a spray bottle, not like this. This is another thing, but a spray bottle like this, and use it. And best of all, it's almost practically free. The only thing is not, it's just the vinegar, but vinegar doesn't cost a lot. So this is 16, and 16, that's 32. So literally you can put it in here and make I'm waiting for my second batch to do this, but 2 cups is 32 ounce, and this is 64, so you actually make half a gallon for practically next to nothing. And then add your soap dish in there, and then clean you go. You can clean glass with them. You can clean, as long as you don't put too much dish soap in here, okay? We're adding dish soap in there is to dilute it a little bit, and it also have the lauryl sulfate, sodium lauryl sulfate. That's like the gooey stuff, but that's what that is. Try it, depending on how you like it. Try with 1 teaspoon first, and then see how you like it, and then you can add. But remember, my formula is 1 cup of this here of vinegar and the grind, to 1 teaspoon of dish soap. That's just optional. You don't have to, but you can clean it just off like that. But make sure to put 2 cups in here, and then fill the rest with 2 cups of water. So every cup of this brine equal 1 cup of that. But best of all, it's free, and you can clean practically a lot of stuff, and best of all, it smells good too, like oranges. So that's pretty easy as that. So this is my next batch right here, so I save it, and then you put them in a jar that will fit about 1 cup. Okay, make sure to have a jar that will fit about 1 cup of vinegar, and fill it all the way up to the top. And then you put it in your fridge, okay? You have to put it in your refrigerator. Don't leave it outside. It has to be refrigerated. And 2 to 4 weeks, okay? That's the requirement for that. So about 2 to 4 weeks, you take it out, and this is what you get right here. Take a strainer, or one of those filter things, like a strainer like this. Whoops. A strainer like that, and strain it out. so you don't get all those pulps, or in case some stuff in there, whatever. It's either fine strainer. That's what I got, and that's what I got right here. And now I'm ready to mix 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of dish soap. My preferred soap is actually Dawn. I'm not advertising for them or anything like that. That's just my preferred thing. I now make my own soap. I prefer the one that is non-natural because I made my own soap. I probably link it up to here, so you can make that soap as well. But that's what I use. It's pretty new, and it looks something like this right here. And it's really, really sudsy. I really like it because it's a lot of suds. But anyway, and now you can use it for cleaning your bathroom. You can clean a lot of stuff. The vinegar will take act as a disinfectant. The oil in here would use it as removing things, and then this smells good as well. So anyway, other than that, that's about it. And I hope it'll be useful to you. And from now on, just don't throw this out, because it's very valuable. I mean, I've been throwing out all my life. I'm just starting to do it now. But we eat a lot of oranges, and we don't know what to do with the peels. But now you know what to do with it. So all you have to do is remember, make sure to get a container. One more tip before I go. Make sure to get a container that you can cover, because you don't want it to dry up, and leave it in the fridge. Okay? Leave it in the fridge until you fill up. I have the container right here that once this is filled up, like compacted down, once it's filled up, it fits exactly like that. So that's what I was doing. So I waited until it's enough, and then I put it in about, I would say about 4 to 5 of these size one, like palm size, I guess you can call it, baseball size or whatever you call it. It's a little smaller than a baseball, but 4 to 5, and that's all you really need. And then you just leave it for 3 to 4 weeks, depend on you. If you want it to be more than that, then leave it 4 weeks. I did this for 3 weeks, and it came out pretty good. See? So anyway, other than that, that's about it. And I hope you give this a try, because after all, it's almost practically free. It's like next to nothing. It's like you can make a whole gallon like this, cleaning stuff, and it smells good and everything, and it's almost natural too, for like 50 cents, less than that. Can you imagine the whole container like this? Orange cleaner, easy orange cleaner. That's what I would say. But anyway, I'll leave the recipe in the description, and if you wanted to give that a try, you can, because now you don't have to throw all those out. Oh, if you don't want to go this route, they actually sell orange oil. 80 to 95% orange extract from this. They're expensive, but they're worth it. My formula to that is every 2 ounce is 4 ounce per 64. So you can literally buy that. Just use 2 ounce, and then use 2 cups of vinegar. So 2 cups of vinegar plus 4 ounce of that that orange extract, I would say, and then you add it on to your container. So you don't have to go this route, but this route is free. But anyway, that's another route that you can do too, to make your own too. Maybe I'll try that next on another video, but as of right now, I get these for free, so why am I gonna go that route, right? But anyway, other than that, that's about it, and I hope this video is helpful to you, and I hope you would give it a try.